Okay, Assalamu alaikum. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and dear the chairman of this culture center. I'm very much happy and honored to be here, especially to have you all the most valuable person in Emirate, right? Okay. So I was the professor for 30 years for the plastic and reconstructive surgery in Seoul University. Now I'm very happily joined in Abu Dhabi Beautiful Eye Clinic. Next slide. So first of all, let's talk about the nature. When you imagine nature, okay, many people imagine the beautiful things, but sometimes nature remains very hostile or gives some disasters to us. Next slide, please. But humans, we are always struggling against the nature and resist the nature. Okay? So we did many the miracle the act. Next slide. So the Emiratis are the evidence and proof how we overcome and how we resist the nature. Okay, so also the Korea is the same. Next, please. Nowadays, but however, scientifically, the aging means we are going to old and every part of our function is decreased. So, can we overcome this? Next slide. Recently, about some decades, that scientists found there is a clock. It's a kind of timer. So once born, the timer switch on, then goes down. Next, please. So our concern about resist the nature is how can it prolong or how can we slow down the watch, the clock? And, please, previous one, okay? So please turn on okay, so this is the autumn falling leaves, okay? But, okay, stop. Okay, but the fallen leaves does not mean the tree is dying, but also there gathers on the ground very valuable things, the autumn leaves. So next is the pessimistic economist said when we goes older, okay, everything is good, not good. This is the consumption, necessary money for survival. But no. Okay, this is new line means that our wisdom grows and violence, okay? And also we can save money for the future, okay? So growing old, that does not necessarily to mean only getting weaker, okay? It's today's concept. Please. So more than 100 years ago, the American writer, the Mark Twain, he said that age is just simple number, nothing but a number. Okay? That important one is that how do we keep aging healthy and gracefully and successfully and elegantly. Next, please. So look at this. This is another proof. Okay? Manufactured many years ago, but still very valuable. Even much more expensive than the Lamborghini, right? Next, please. He's my friend, but he's much older than me. But he looks, this year, he is a very successful gracefully aged friend. He's much older than me. So next slide. So here, the young women and also some, but eventually when we grow older, but we can keep our body and soul very, very valuable one. Okay, next one, please. So next. Oh, no. Oh. Okay. Please. Okay, next. Okay, one click more. Okay. That's what we want. Okay, we cannot defeat the nature. Everybody dies. But let's keep the youth as long as possible is the goal of medicine and also the goal of everybody. Okay? So nowadays, how old are you should be changed to how valuable are you. Okay? Next. So that does not mean that this is the opposite. We should not abuse ourselves. Not because today is the youngest day of our life. Okay? That does not mean we can abuse ourselves today. Okay? Next, please. Because maintaining healthy and maintaining youth requires so many factors. Not only the spirit, but also body, heart, bone, and everything. Even the social things. Next slide is also, we need every part of the health. Next slide, please. So, this is the anti-aging philosophy. From the bottom, there is a mind and skills spirit. Okay? On the basis of the spirit, we can manage to the anti-aging procedures or everything. Okay? Next, please. So, today I'd like to say, from far now, the scientists become what? We extend every day what we can control. Okay, so to knowing what we can control is very, very important. Okay, next please. Okay, one click. Okay, aging. Okay. Let it go. Rest. Please do not do that. Okay, we can fight and against. This time, spare time for future. Question is, do use time for the future. Okay? So, this is car. Everybody understand. Okay? Because to maintain your car, okay? How many times a week you wash your car? We don't have to answer. Okay. To make our car as good as possible, maybe we should do something. Next, please. Okay, there is a maintenance schedule. Next. It's very complicated. This is what I mean is we can do what we can do, but it needs our energy and diligence and time and money. Next, please. So, this is the only one word I would like to say is that do not compete with youngers. That means, so after you marry, okay, do not compete your daughter who is more beautiful. So, actually in this famous YouTube, that this old man defeated the young man, but this is YouTube. Okay? We have our own ability to adjust the age, but we can prolong the age. Okay? So keep exercise and always think this is new technology. Okay? And next one. No. Okay, so do you know what it is? Okay, so anti-aging script starts. Okay, so when you go home, please Google. Okay, so we have to follow the new trend. Okay, new science and new technology. We should not be behind it. Okay, this is the first step to keep anti-aging. Okay, next please. So anti-aging is very, very hard thing. Whatever you do, okay, it is very hard. If we forget 1 or 2 days, okay, then this rock will go down to few kilometers. Next, please. So now let's begin the practical one. In next lecture, you will meet the most valuable, the beauty artist. Okay, so you are looking for her. Okay, but let me have some time because so many products overflowed and flooded in the world. So everybody confused that what is good, what is better for me. Okay, next please. But because we do today, we buy this one, and next day we buy this one, try this one. So the company, the manufacturers are happier and happier every day. Next, please. So there are so many theories. Okay, next, please. Oh no, so fast. Okay, so few words. Okay, keywords, please remember today, okay? So when you see the advertisement, you can see the antioxidant activity, okay? That is one of the key role of the cosmetic product to provide anti-aging. And next, please. So the retinoid, vitamin A, and ceramide, vitamin C, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and hyaluronase. These are the main component. Next, please. And so other component. Next, please. Next, please. Oh, no. So I have to advertise another Korean center in Festival City, right? Okay. Next, please. The cosmetics, the advertising in Festival City is the right thing. Okay. So there is only a few principles to keep the anti-aging. Okay, so no sun protection. Okay, keep clean and keep hydration. Especially, but manufacturers of the cosmetics and anti-aging product are from the Northern European country, okay? Usually, so anyone from Northern European country, you're from Greek, okay? Greek is similar to you, very sunny, okay? So, because their product is now aimed for the European woman, okay? So, slide is from there. So, okay, next, please. Okay. Here, in Middle East area, okay, we have to focus the sun protection first, then moisturization, okay? Retinol or the others, we have to choose the smaller amount of retinol or the others, okay? Hydration first, and sun protection first. You know, you grow here, okay? And there are always wind, sand, microsand, picosand, nanosand. So always be plugged in your faces. Next, please. So this is the step. Do you lecture about this? Okay, I can skip. Okay, skip. Okay, next, previous one. Okay. So one of the common mistake, especially here, is that to do the harsh product, it is strong product. So, have you ever experienced the facial cleaning? Okay, So the stronger facial cleaning, at that moment, you may feel happier, okay? But the facial cleaning should be softer than European area, okay, here, because every day the sun and sand, this damages our skins. Okay, next please. Okay, so it's very important. Whatever we use, the cosmetics should not destroy the skin barrier. Everybody has a skin barrier. Next, please. So this is the cleaning. Very, very important here. With sun and sand. Next, please. So today is the point. Okay. So when you pray with your daughters and when you pray with your son, please make and teach them what you learned today, right? Okay. It's very important. Okay. Next, please. So there are so many things, okay, to do, but next, please. Now there are so many products to do return. It's two things, okay? Clean the engine and refill the fuel, okay? One of the refill the fuel is the salmon DNA PDRN and also the exosome product, okay? That is now next slide. So this is the stem cell. So nowadays, the most expensive treatment is stem cell injection treatment is now available in UA, in our clinic too. Next, please. Next, please. So, in this hard work, okay, next, click, okay, with anti-aging agent and therapy, we can put something behind this hard rock, okay? It's nothing free, or one click, you can hire a Sisyphus to help you. Then next, the Sisyphus is me. Next, please. So the last thing usually I have to say is about the Korean War. It was a long time ago, but 2 million people were killed at the time. And next, but we built Korea again, but not because we are clever, not because we are smart. Next, but because everybody, every country helped us at the time. So in this moment, I'd like to say special thanks to, especially to the Muslim countries, okay, Iran, Manama is Bahrain, and Egypt, and Saudi Arabia, Indonesia, Pakistan, Syria, and Lebanon, and also Greece sent us the medical supply. So Korea is a Muslim-friendly country, and very happy to have you here today, okay? And I will send the mic to the most valuable lecturer, next, the specialist. Thank you.